How to fix name drop not working on iPhone in iOS 17. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this short video I will teach you how to fix if name drop is not working on iPhone. Let's get started without wasting any time. To fix this issue, first of all make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS in your iPhone. Make sure that iOS 17 is installed in your iPhone. After confirming that, go to Settings menu on your device, swipe down to find General and tap it. Tap AirDrop. Here, make sure that Contacts Only or Everyone for 10 minutes is selected. After that, make sure that Bringing Devices Together is enabled. Now, go back to the Settings menu and tap Bluetooth. Under the Bluetooth, make sure that your Bluetooth is on. If it's already on, then turn it off, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. After doing this, now move your iPhone close to another iPhone and see if name drop is working or not. If your name drop doesn't work, then you have to restart your device. For that, go to Settings menu. On the Settings menu, find and tap General. On the General, find and tap Shutdown. Now slide to Power Off. After turning off the iPhone, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.